How to change voice language in Blood Strike. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're trying to adjust game settings on Blood Strike, fixing the audio or customizing your gameplay experience, here's how you can easily change the voice language step by step. First thing to do is to launch open the Blood Strike game on your device of course and make sure you are inside the lobby screen. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner from the home screen. From the settings menu, go to the left hand side and click on the language option. Inside language setting, click on the button right next to voice and choose a different language you want to change to. Once you are done, click confirm and you have successfully changed the voice language in the Blood Strike game. Now jump back into the game and enjoy hearing your favorite characters in a new language. It makes the battlefield feel fresh and more immersive. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.